Karnataka Assembly has passed an amendment bill to regulate outdoor advertisements and bring unauthorized hoardings under stricter control. The House cleared the Karnataka Municipalities and Certain Other Laws Amendment Bill 2026, which allows local bodies to levy fees on advertisements displayed on buildings, hoardings, and other structures within city limits. The government said prior permission will now be mandatory for putting up any advertisement. Officials will have the power to remove illegal hoardings and take action against violators. According to the provisions, unauthorized advertisements will attract penalties and delayed payments will carry an 18% annual interest. Authorities can also recover dues similar to property tax, including seizure of materials if required. Urban Development Minister P.S. Suresha, who moved the bill, said the move aims to curb illegal hoardings and boost revenue for local bodies. He added that many unauthorized boards currently do not pay any tax. The bill also clarifies that advertisements on private property will not be removed, but will still be subject to taxation. Exemptions have been provided for election-related advertisements and official public notices. The government said the new system could generate significant revenue for municipalities, running into hundreds of crores.